Hey YouTube family, blessed day to you. Happy weekend. Today is Friday, it's the start of the weekend. I am here on the road, me and the great Miss Kimmy from the Jamaican Mukbanging vlog. Long time, it's been a while since me and Kimmy come up on the road. So I am just making about 2 or 3 stops today. So me and her up on the road. So I'm just all taking you along. First which have sale. Yes, it looks like they have yard sale. That's what? Yeah. So we are here. And I'm just gonna show you. Oh, it's a fast rich here, so a few little clips. So I'll catch you back. In the expensive, you think when them name the expensive? Don't. Why you have them? So we are on Mullines Road. That way him come around the corner deal. Man. So we are on Mullines Road family and we are heading towards my favorite liquor supermarket. Stop at Boulevard. Yes, so that's where we are at. We are Miss Kimmy, I beat up road here with me. I just tell her take tanker. Me very elderly now, me can't take the whole harsh driving. Really and the excitement and for my nerves it now going so good enough. Family, so that's what it's at. It's a pretty day out though, and it look like a pretty as St. Mary too. All of that. So when I reach, or when I am at my first stop, I'll check back right in with you, and I hope that you are having a beautiful day. These roads are gonna be expecting to be more busy as the holiday gets into gear. So guys, we are at Super Shoppers Fair supermarket. Come here a few times, well, and I tell us I prefer it. I can't go here. I prefer it to the one I do in the park. I will at this side parking lot. It just big and nice. I prefer up here. It's less congested than doing the park. You know, have the taxi man them up here for anything the way. So give me a try get in a park and something. So, I kind of like that. Oh, you know, prefer you to down at Dwayne Park?
Ooh, we are straight up cars.
Do that.
Yeah. Because the parking in front of me, the
Yeah.
parking beside of me.
A 2 park for there, so we'll straighten up yourself.
No, one, I just over the 2.
This hour. Disabled.
Yeah, so me have to,
But you still have to straighten up yourself.
yeah, that means I have to straighten up hours over this, I have to disable.
Okay. So we are in the parking lot. I forgot to say today a Friday, and I'm just say a Friday, but yeah, people want a few vehicles in here. Really less congested. I like up here, so I really like up here, so. So I'll see you in the supermarket, fam. Give me something I really do, you know. It's not a broccoli, this is mustard green. You know, some don't love black broccoli. Yeah, it's expensive plus I don't like it. You know, so I used to do it a long time, I know the soul food, but I really love it. But it has been years since I have done it. Give me. Oh.
Garlic. A pound garlic sold by in a supermarket.
I put on the myself. How much it is?
272 by
772?
no, 272 per pound.
Yeah, but that not even weigh 8 ounce. So. Them look like them not ready for the weekend yet. Wow, these are pretty. What are these, Kimmy? Yeah, assorted sweet peppers product. Oh, they are nice. A different brand, Kimmy. Kimmy, I'll listen. Seriously, assorted sweet peppers product of Jamaica. Then they could have so rude. After then tell we say sitting. So this is 178 and this is 212.
We need to get something like supermarket.
Well, let's work with that.
We need to get the clothes.
Clothes, and we are sending clothes for. Oh boy. Oh, this looks so. Let me see that little tired one, yeah? I tell you, boy, may I work with this? It's okay. Then now 6,000 odd. Then if afraid. See it there? See it there? 1,200 and of course you know what tax. It have blue label. But how long may I look for them? May I take you? I want them then just give me then credit. Oh no. Jesus. Parry, you no comment and tell me what you think about them here. Dear Jesus. This one, these are red and nice, and this says 998 points in them. Yeah, but these are nice. I hope so them not jamba. Oh, they look. Them not look bad.
6 strawberries at the stores around. You see that, guys?
May I take it? Kimmy. Yeah? Come here. Bingo. We bingo today. May I take this? May I take this? May I settle with you? We bingo today, Kimmy. We bingo on this. May I say we bingo because look here, when me I say we bingo, this is one I camber. But I said I'm gonna put one little tired one in that one. Kimmy. But look, Kimmy, look here. These are blueberries. And like this is, but the blueberries are more expensive. This is $1,314. Family, you need to comment and to tell us if these, if you no fee said them here. What do you think about these prices? Me not take this, you know. You think so?
Yeah.
So the blueberry never all about me. Look here, you see? Them something they are carrying, you know. In a supermarket, they know. But then we comment and tell me what you think about this pack of strawberry. I want it to do a video, so no comment. So Kimmy, Parry is still in a supermarket. Oh boy, Kimmy gonna look something her belly, abadar. When I say her belly abadar, I mean say she hungry, you know. You know Christmas frock though. Alright. Kimmy a pastry, you really look for me nothing. So Kimmy, this is what I'll be doing coming up next. Family, and then I may branch. Not really these though, but I'll be changing my baking attitude. This is what I always want. I always longed for a pastry shop. I always long for that. I long for a restaurant. I long for pastry shop. So through Christmas, them put out them little tie up fruits and all that. How much for this a piece of folio now?
510.
Yeah, go and buy, you know, could I buy one full and go here, go to see your whole life. You're lucky. If me buy that for $5,000, I'll not come and my funeral.
Oh, then $500.
Yeah, missus. I'm not able that. Me. You go buy burger? It better. Come, let's go get the clothes now. And something. And there we come. Yeah, me think me get everything in and me I come out here. Oh, okay, me go look something. Family, me don't know where me go look. But why am I here? Oh, she said she gonna look clothes. I guess she go do and sitting. I don't know what she do. And let me look up Crisco shot. Let me even have a top look on them. I want some shopping. People that look on them. I mean how much million to them know. I'm telling you, it's really expensive in Jamaica. YouTube family, I'm not telling a lie. You know, it's if you survive out here. You may come to food. Europe. So I have in there in the supermarket. Like I tell you, just that and it. And then I never show you what I have one to watch in my one for St. Mary, one for town. Now that me have 2 yards to make a dark. So I'm the want some bulb to carry St. Mary. Oh Jesus, me stop at the bulb place. The lighting place. I think it's better. I tell you, it's not easy here, you know. Not easy living in jail. It's a struggle. Struggle. But I guess it's everywhere though. Guys, I go back out in my parking lot, you know. The guy I push out, you see me push out the trolley to look for something. And never come to buy so much something, you know. But guess what? I tell us I prefer this parking lot. Up here is nice though. Today is Friday and you can see most people there at work. The parking lot looking nice. I prefer to come up here so. When the park is a bit congested. Too congested for me. I'm out parking at my car right now. The next platform. We are at Dunrabin. We are headed towards now. Boulevard no man, I wish part Dunrabin start, Kimmy. I can Dunrabin finish right here, so.
You sure?
Yeah.
Dunrabin. Dunrabin Plaza.
Then Dunrabin start here, so my girl Boulevard end here, so. Then that me did go say, Kimmy, look here. Even though I'm a country girl, you know, me there town from 1980, you know, girl. Remember me, I tell you, you know, me a country girl, but from 1980, me a proud Kingston City, you know. That me, I tell you. A whole heap of people know me, you know. Me a proud city here from 1980, mama. As an original St. Mary country girl. You got money go do all you can eat crab. What do you want crab, Kimmy? So Paris, we are going to be turning on to where you go, Kimmy? You go Chateau Road, you go Salamaris. Where you go? Up Chateau Road. So me a follow Kimmy go somewhere Paris. She going somewhere, so me a go on Paris with her. You pick up crab, you know?
No, I pick up some from somewhere. The crab place there up the road.
Lord have mercy. Give me low crab. Make crab live.
You all can eat crab Monday. But like that, all you can eat crab Monday day because
I would you tell me say shrimp act up there in Sinus.
Sinus?
Me I try to remember how far still am I stay up again. And then the room used to work up here in a Kimmy 80s. Don't grand spend the road there, I'm not telling you. But tell us a long time in a city, you know. Think a joke.
Remember I helped you for Stella Man? know.
I was still, I think still
Exactly.
I'm on your left hand. I don't remember, you know.
Tulamar. I don't know where exactly.
I try to remember if I'm on your left hand it there. Them place there, them a long time. Last year, we did come up here, Kimmy.
Yeah, me I go
Come
go
meet where she
straight.
name there.
Straight me I go.
Yeah, go straight across the stoplight.
Okay. But we did turn.
Eh?
We did turn when you go meet the girl.
Yeah, down Grand Spring Road we did turn. Sun warm today outdoor, not true.
Very warm.
That right there saw we'd come what I wrote the name, I carry back down a Price Mart. But then name
Mega man.
Mega Mart, me always mix it up.
Grandfather have a house down this.
Around the same house there down pan.
In front of Mega man.
Oh, around this, you know, so a nice area.
No.
So we are on our way back
Hungry.
with the Lord Jesus.
What
With the
time?
right at the stoplight at Old Church Road and where that road that we come from around this again name came in? Annette Crescent. I think Annette Crescent that.
No, we don't reach Annette Crescent. Down
No,
there, down this.
we're Jumbler, we are come from a Jumbler. Watch him. You see how him just like a clown.
Annette Crescent.
So quick we reach out there so those Annette. Oh yeah, miss. So we are come from a Jumbler, but where the road the name again? We carry around from Jumbler. The community is Jumbler, but I don't remember Yaka. Up here so we're in Southdale Plaza. Finally Southdale Plaza get a facelift. Finally. Eye agnostics and eye health care. I used to get lunch in one of them. Oh wow, finally Southdale Plaza really get a nice facelift. But over there, so the other side over there, so lad man. It not going with no.
Which way the next one down here, so though?
Which one that?
Yeah,
No.
Yeah, drive.
So okay family, I am seriously back home and like I'm just gonna show you like a few of the little items I'm gonna pick up. I wanted a map. I have map up one new map of country. I want one here. So you see what now me have two houses. So me have to do buy. But that's how it go. No problem. It will work out. So I get some oil in I don't it look like we did put back the mustard greens, pak chai and my garlic, I pick up a piece of saltfish. These are some different type of bell peppers. Ooh, me get strawberry, you know, see. This right there. So I asked you to comment what you think about the price of the strawberry. See it there again. But I really wanted to do a Patreon video and I just so make sure my bag. I have get tissue, me get two syrup, one for here, one for St. Mary. Basically I then look at something like that, and I think you did see the total at the cash register. So family, that was just like a look morning run, and thanks for watching. Thanks so much more. Remember to tell me what you think about the price of the strawberry then and the blueberry then. Hard. Buy food expensive at Jamaica, but you know what happened? I guess food expensive everywhere right now to have one. So thanks for watching. Remember to make sure you're subscribed. Remember to make sure you leave me a thumbs up. Leave me a decent comment below. Let us talk in the comment section. What do you think about the price of the strawberry and something? But look here. I want it, and I that's the only place I see it so far. I've been searching for it for the longest while. So thanks for watching once more. And until I see you again on this camera, it's gonna be ciao.